everybody? I am finally back to YouTube. It has been a long time going through some things, but I really missed you guys, and I honestly really missed this channel, and I really missed covering myself in ridiculous face paint for you guys. Quick channel updates. Channel's gonna be something a little bit more nerdy lifestyle, so it's not just gonna be cosplay and makeup. We're also gonna add some more fun lifestyle stuff in here too. Hopefully that doesn't cause you to unsubscribe, but I promise it's gonna be super fun, it's gonna be super interesting, and I'm ridiculous, so stay tuned. Today, I wanted to show you guys my cosplay ColourPop haul. Yes, I got a ton of stuff from ColourPop. I'm super excited to share it with you. I got some awesome stuff to show you, so stay tuned. So if you're not new to this channel, you know that your girl is obsessed with ColourPop, especially with their brand collabs that they've done. My favorites have definitely been the Disney ones. The Sailor Moon one was pretty awesome. I haven't gotten all the things I want from that one. I'm still waiting on them. That same with Mulan. Haven't gotten all the things I wanted from it. Waiting on them to restock, but I love myself a ColourPop. One of the collabs that I finally was able to score the lipsticks from is the Safia collab. If you are not following her here on YouTube, you are clearly missing out. She's freaking awesome, and I absolutely love her videos, and that I love all of these colors. I know you probably have seen them swatched here before, but my favorite two are probably going to be the Berry and Me and Screamer. Screamer sounds like it's gonna be my favorite too. I love like red hues, so, and berries. I love a berry. Berry just looks so good on me, so I'm super excited to start wearing these because her lipstick always looks amazing. Sorry, that's my cat, ignore her. I got the Color Me Fine liners. As a cosplayer, liners that are colorful are so freaking important because you're gonna be, especially with me, I wear a lot of different types of face paint for my cosplays, so it helps me create the look without having to use like a black liner all the time, which is awesome. So I'm super excited. Dark blue, it has white, it has red, it has black, it has green, it is yellow. There's so many colors in here to create some really awesome looks, so stay tuned. We're gonna have some really fun looks coming up soon. I got the freckle pins in both colors. They have dark brown and they also have soft brown. I got both browns because my skin's kind of in between, so I didn't know which brown was gonna look better on me. Was the dark gonna be too dark? Was the light gonna be too light? So I just got both. Turns out they kind of just look the same on me. I don't really even understand how to explain that, but they do. So honestly, I could have just got one of them, but whatever. I'll keep them both, who knows. The last thing I did was I created my own palette. Now I don't know if you're like me, but as a cosplayer I get mad frustrated because every single time I try to look for a cosplay makeup palette, I can't find all the colors I need. Can't find the glitters I need. Can't find the reds, the greens, the blues. It's really frustrating, and I don't want to buy a new makeup palette every single time I do a cosplay that requires me to really go in there with the look. So I decided to create my own palette with the ColourPop colors I picked out. So these are the colors that I picked out for my ColourPop. There's a lot of pinks and reds, there's some blues, purples, there's an orange, lots of glitters and sparkly metallic tones. I love those. There's yellow, there's, you know, brown and transition colors up there. So yeah, I got a lot of different colors. I also got a black, always need a black, and I'm super excited for this palette. I got this palette and I'm obsessed with it because it has all the colors I'm gonna need for a while for all these new makeup looks that I'm gonna be coming out with, but also that way I only have to bring one palette with me to conventions or cosplay meetups or photo shoots. I only have to worry about one palette in order to like make up my entire face for multiple cosplays, than trying to carry like 4 or 5 makeup palettes, not remembering which one has the red I used or which one has the blue I like to use. So frustrating. Not doing that anymore. So I just made one. This is gonna be my travel. This is gonna be my everything for the cosplay looks that I will be doing now in the foreseeable future. So that's everything I got from ColourPop. I just wanted to come on here, say hi, give a quick update, and share that with you guys. There will be another makeup video coming soon. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share if you care, and hit your girl up on the socials. I will talk to you later. Bye.